From last 25 years, this test is being conducted and every year 2 million plus students appear for this exam. Very good afternoon to all. From last 25 years, this test is being conducted and every year 2 million plus students appear for this exam. What is this exam? Is this SSC or banking? No, it's IELTS. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. Basically, this is the most trusted name and it was developed by Cambridge expertise. Basically, this test is to conduct or to see the English proficiency test of an individual. As an individual, if we are going outside, we are going for the study purpose or to do a job, or we are migrating ourselves from our nation to the other nation. So there are many countries like USA, Canada, New Zealand, etc. which conduct this test basically to see the language English must be known for an individual who is an outsider. So there are total 9 band score which is being provided in this. 6.1 is the passing marks and it differs from nation to nation also. For the registration purpose, if you want to register yourself, so here we have the two modes, online or offline. If we are going online registration, then everything will be available on our online platform, or if we want to go offline registration, then also we have to visit the IDP. Now what is this IDP? IDP is one of the world leading organization in education department. Basically, this IDP, there are many centers of IDP in our nation, country like India. We have IDP in our Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, in Delhi. And we can go there and we can register ourselves in IDP as well. So now we will going to talk about that what is the exam pattern. So the total timing of exam pattern is of 2 hours 45 minutes and it basically see as an individual English reading, your English test, your English proficiency test in reading, writing, speaking and in your listening skills. In further details, you can go or you can attend our 25th batch as a demo batch, or you can just have a visit to our demo batch and you can visit this for your further understanding. And if you have any clarity or something about that, you can comment me on your box so that I can give you basically a full detail on this topic. Thank you.